Leviton's Decora Edge 15-amp single-pole switch has levers that apply clamping pressure to hold 14 or 12-gauge solid or stranded copper wire without the use of screws. The levers are color-coded for the wire terminals. Black is hot, green is ground. Open the lever fully and insert a wire stripped 9/16 of an inch. There's a strip gauge on the back. Insert the wire fully and close the lever until it clicks, letting you know it's locked in place. The design has no exposed metal screws or wire. The large strap is good for drywall that was cut too much or damaged and needs an oversized cover plate. There are breakaway tabs that can be removed for a standard cover plate. The strap has notches and tabs to align multiple devices in a multi-gang box. There are test holes for a multimeter so you don't have to remove the wires. It's self-grounding in a grounded metal box. It's NEC compliant and has a 2-year warranty.